Okay, this is stage one of the design. So there's a little food forest that's been planted out here to block the fence line and provide kitchen herbs, and there's some avocado and feijoa and hazelnut trees to grow up and block the hedge, and that extends onto a winter green vegetable bed, and there's going to be some green cover crops that will then be mulched into the soil and grow a summer crop in there. And then along here is another line of hugel cultured bed, so that's got clippings from a tree that was cut down, and it's been covered in topsoil with these compost bins established there. And then behind that is going to be a perennial food forest with some chickens foraging in there. And then in the space in front of that is a glass house, so there's going to be a 10 by 6 foot glass house there, and connected to that is this pond, which is going to be a goldfish pond with ornamental plants and fringe perennial plants along the back there as part of that food forest. And there's going to be goldfish in there, and the water is going to be pumped out from there through the glass house that will be there, and all the plants will grow in fine gravel beds in the glass house, and they'll drain down into a gravel bottom at that glass house that then flows back into the pond again, which is pumped back as an aquaponic system. And then over here there's going to be a pool with an overflow into the pond to top it up, and there'll be a buoy that will, as the water level drops down in the pond, it will automatically pull water out of the pool. And then at the back of there where that perennial food forest is, there's going to be some chickens in a chicken house that will move through that space to allow the plants to allow a kind of a perennial food forest to grow up, and then the chickens will move through just behind the trees to mow down the herbs and other perennial plants that will grow up as part of that. So that's a little 700 square metre backyard design.